Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jackie and thank you for watching. So today I am going to be doing a pink smoky eye for spring. And if you haven't noticed, every time I do like a makeup tutorial, I like to feature a palette. I kind of did that subconsciously and just kind of noticed the pattern because I have a lot of palettes and I want to spread the love. So today I'm going to be using the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette. Like this, and we're just going to be doing an all matte pink smoky eye. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below what you think and what else you'd want to see. And if you want to see how to get this pink smoky eye for spring, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I already primed my eyes and set it down with the Peach Meringue shade. So first I'm going to start off with my Luxie 205 brush and mix the shades Peaches and Cream and Peach Tea together and use this as my transition shade in the crease. Ugh, ignore the mirror in the side, sorry. So this is just like kind of a wash of these two colors just all over the crease area, both low and high in the crease, and I'm using back and forth and circular motions just to blend this all out. It's not anything precise because like I said, it's just a wash of color. That's going to be our transition for everything else. Okay, so with the same Luxie brush, I'm going to mix Peach Tea and Fresh Picked and put this in the crease as well using the same type of motions, but I'm just keeping this a little lower in the crease. I'm not necessarily making this a wash of color like I did with Peaches and Cream and Peach Tea. This is just kind of adding a little more depth and definition into the crease for the transition. My friend made me this mug for my birthday. She's so talented. Look at that. She like painted that on there. I'll leave her Instagram link down below. Okay, now I'm going to switch over to a more precise fluffy brush. This is the Morphe M433 and I'm going to mix together Fresh Picked and Peach Cobbler and keep this low in the crease but kind of focusing it more on the outer V. Okay, then just going back with that original fluffy brush and just blending everything out, just using what's already left over on this brush. I'm not picking up any additional product. I just want to make sure all these colors are merging together seamlessly and there's no like harsh lines. Okay, so now I'm just going to take like a flat shader brush. This is by the Vintage Cosmetic Company. I don't know what the name of this brush is, but I got it in a BoxyCharm. And then I'm going to pick up, what's this called? Peach Punch. This is like the bright pink shade in the palette, and I'm gonna pack this all over my lid. And I'm gonna go back in with that Morphe brush and just kind of blend out the crease. I'm using super light pressure when I'm doing this. Okay. Now I'm going to take a Luxie 235 brush and pick up Peach Tart and just pack this in on the outer corner. I'm not using too much product though, because I'm just trying to add a little bit of definition. Not necessarily like anything too deep and dark. And then going back in with that Morphe brush again and blending everything out. I'm going to take this Morphe M574 brush and pick up Peach Meringue and use that to highlight the brow bone. And then moving on to the lower lash line, I'm going to pick up the Sigma E15 brush and dip into that peach tart shade and pack this really close to the lower lash line. And then taking a Morphe R41, I think it is, I'm gonna pick up fresh picked and blend out the lower lash line with this. I think I'm gonna mix in some peach tea with that too. So I'm gonna do peach tea and fresh picked to blend out the lower lash line. Okay, so then I'm just going to take this Maybelline and Gigi Hadid gel eyeliner and line my tight line and waterline. And I'm just going to curl my lashes and coat them with mascara using the Benefit Roller Lash. Okay, so I'm going to take the Marc Jacobs Tan-Tastic bronzer with a Sigma F05 contour brush. I'm going to put this all the places that I would bronze and contour. I love this brush because it's so small and precise. You do like, it's one of those brushes you can contour and bronze with at the same time because it's still fluffy, and you can just blend it all out really well, as opposed to those brushes that are like a sharp contour and you can't blend out with them as well. I'm going to take this Aesthetica P12 brush and go in with the Too Faced Sweethearts bronzer and just add like a little bit more of a shimmer bronzer. I've been really into shimmer bronzers lately. I just love them for like the spring and summer. They're so pretty. So for blush, I'm going to use Milani Luminoso, and I'm going to use this with a Morphe E4 brush. And I'm going to blend that all a little more with an MUA stippling brush. You can just buy this brush from Target. So before I put this on my face, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter. Yeah, and I'm going to be using the less intense side. This is Lightning Dust, and then this one's Fire Crystal, but I'm going to be using Lightning Dust, and first I'm going to put this on my inner corner. Actually, I'm going to use Fire Crystal on my inner corner because that barely showed up. So I guess on the other eye I'll just mix them. That looks better. Even when I do an all matte eye, I need like a shimmer or a highlight on my inner corner. I cannot have one. So then I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 highlight brush and again take the lightning dust side and highlight my cheekbones and nose with this. For lips, I'm going to line my lips and fill them in with MAC Oak lip liner. Then I'm going to be taking the Tarte lip paint in the shade Pillow Talk. I've been loving these. First, I love the applicator, how it kind of like hugs onto your lips. And these are the, I forget what they're called. They're the like really matte ones. But they're just like really good quality liquid lipsticks and they last all day long. So, oh, this one's really bright. Okay, I kind of just focused that on the center of my lips and dabbed it in with my finger just because this is a super, super light nude shade. Then I'm gonna set everything with the Too Faced Hangover setting spray, primer spray, whatever this is. So that completes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below what you thought, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.